Good morning students. Today we are going to start with the exercise 9th A question number 2. Rohit borrowed rupees 24,000 at 7.5% per year. How much money will he pay at the end of 4 years to clear his debt? So students, what we need to calculate here, how much money will he pay? That means it is clearly mentioned that we want to calculate the amount, whatever he is going to pay after the 4 years. So to calculate the amount, we have the formula principal plus interest. Okay, so that means if we want to calculate the amount, principal is given to us, the amount which is borrowed is principal, 24,000 is the principal, and interest. So that means interest is unknown to us. By applying this formula, I is equals to P into R into T upon 100, using this formula we can calculate the interest, correct? This is the amount borrowed, which is principal, rate of interest is 7.5%, and what is the timing given to us? 4 years. Okay, so let us solve this question. First calculate the interest. P is 24,000, rate of interest is 7.5, time, how much is the time? 4 years, divided by 100. Okay, so divided by 100. Now see what will happen here. 0 and 0 will get cancelled, correct? So it means there will be the multiplication of 240, 7.5 and 4. So what should be the multiplication here to calculate the interest? Multiplication will gives us 7,200, correct? Rupees 7,200 is the interest. Now let us find out the amount. So to calculate the amount, we have the formula principal plus interest. What is the principal amount? 24,000. How much is the interest? 7,200, correct? So that means addition of these two will gives us rupees 31,200, correct? This much amount he will pay to the bank, we can say, or from where he had borrowed. Okay, so what we can write at the end? Rohit will pay rupees 31,200. This is the statement we have to write at the end. Okay, so next question is here, question number 3. What it is? The interest on a certain sum of money is rupees 1,480 in 2 years and at 10% per year. Find the sum of money. See what that given us, the interest on certain sum of money is. So it means in the question interest is given to us, which is 1,480, correct? Time is for 2 years. Time is for 2 years, and rate percent is 10%, correct? So in this question we want to calculate principal. Find the sum. Sum means we want to calculate the principal amount. Is that clear? So let us put up the same formula of interest. P into R into T upon 100. So this is the formula for interest. Value of the interest is given to us. What is the value of interest? So value of the interest is 1480. Principal amount is unknown to us. Rate of interest is 10%. Time is 2 years upon 100. 0 will get cancelled. 10 is in the division, going that side goes for multiplication, correct? And 2 is in multiplication, going that side goes for division. So 1480 multiplied by 10 upon 2. which is equals to principal, right? 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8, and this 0. 740 multiplied by 10. 740 multiplied by 10. So therefore the principal amount will be rupees 7,400. Got it? So what we will write a statement at the end of the question. The sum of money is rupees 7400. Got it? This will be the final answer. Is that understood, everyone? Now next, third question is there. Now we are solving fourth question. Third already we have done. Now fourth question is here. See, on what principal will the simple interest of rupees 7008 in 6 years, 3 months at 5% per year? Okay, so what we have to do? On what principal? That means we want to calculate the principal. The simple interest be rupees 7008 in 6 years and 3 months. Time is given to us 6 years and 3 months. Rate of interest is 5%. Our question is to find out the principal, right? Okay. Now to find out this principal amount, whatever the time is given to us, that time should be in the years only. Okay. But what it is given us? 6 years and 3 months. Okay. So the first thing that we have to do in this question is convert the given time into years. 3 months. 3 months can be written as years. How we can write it in the years? 6 years should be there. 3 month means 3 upon 12 years. Is that clear? Understood what we have done? 3 is divided by 12 to convert it into 3 months into years. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So to make an addition of these two things, denominators must be same. Here the denominator is 1, so we need to take a LCM of this. 4 6 are 24 plus 1. Got it? So it becomes 25 upon 4 years. Is that understood, everyone? Okay, so we got the value of time, that is 25 upon 4. Now let us calculate the principal. As in our question there is an interest given to us, and we know that interest and principal, one combined formula is there, that is P into R into T upon 100. Correct? This is the formula to calculate the interest, and in which also we can find out the principal, we can also calculate rate, we can also calculate the time. So here interest is 7008. Principal amount is unknown to us. Rate of interest, what is the rate of interest given to us? 5. And what is the timing? Time 25 by 4 years. So 25 upon 4 years. And this denominator is 100, so we can write this 100 here also with the multiplication of 4. Got it? Now 25, or let us shift everything in that side so that we can calculate the P, and reductions we can do in the next side only. So 7008, 104 is in the division, going that side goes for multiplication. 5 and 25 is here in the multiply, going that side goes for division. So P, remaining is P. So what we have done, shifted all the numbers in this side. those which are in the denominator, going that side goes multiply, and for multiply it goes that side as division. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are correct. Now 7008 multiplied by 16 divided by 5, which is equals to principal. Okay. Now let us multiply it by 16 to this number. Okay. 16 eights are 128. 128. 16 sevens are 16 sevens are how much? 16 eights are 128. 16 sevens are 112 divided by 5. Got it? So therefore the principal amount, when we divide it by 5, 5 twos are 10, 1 is remainder. Again 5 twos are 10, 2 is remainder. 5 fours are 20, 1 is there. 5 twos are 10, 2 is there. 5 fives are 25, 3 is there. Take a decimal, take a 0. 5 6 are 30. Okay, so it is 22425.60. This is the principal amount. All of you understood till here? Next, question number 6 we are solving. Okay, question number 6. At what rate percent per annum will rupees 630 produces an interest of rupees 126 in 4 years? So in this question, at what rate percent? That means we want to calculate the rate percent, correct? Per annum will rupees 630 produces an interest of 126. Principal is rupees 630, then interest is of rupees 126 for 4 years. So timing is 4 years. Got it? So let us find out the interest. P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. So in our question, interest is 126, principal amount is 630, rate of interest is unknown to us, the timing is 4 divided by 100. Got it? So shift all the terms, numbers in this side. Let R should be in one side. 126, 100 is in the division, going that side goes for multiplication. 4 is in multiply, going that side goes for division. 630 is in the multiply, shifting this side goes for division, which is equals to R. Is that clear? Now let us cancel these two zeros. Then 63 ones are and 63 twos are. Right? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So value of the R will be 5%. Got it? This is the value of rate. Okay, now there is a question number second part from the sixth question, second part we are solving. At what rate percent per year will a sum double itself in 6 fraction 1 by 4? This is 1 by 4 years. 6 fraction 1 by 4. Okay. Now in this question we want to calculate the rate of interest again, right? Now what they are saying, at what rate percent per year a sum double itself? Sum means principal will get double of itself, correct? So in our question, principal is unknown to us, but there is a relation between sum get double itself. That means amount, whatever the amount is there after getting the interest, that amount is getting double in 6 fraction 1/4 years. Okay, so let us consider that principal, if principal is rupees 100, then amount should be rupees 200. Is that clear? Understood this thing? If principal is 200, then amount is, principal is 100, then amount will be 200, because what they are saying, sum get double, है ना? So if like this, double of the 100 is 200. We can take any value, no problem in that, but this will make our calculation simple. Is that clear? And now, after getting this, timing. What is the timing given to us? 6 fraction 1/4 years, which can be converted into 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25/4 years. Got it? Now, what is our question? What rate percent? Means our question is to find out the rate percent. If we want to calculate the rate percent, we should apply this formula. I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. This is the formula to calculate the rate. So for that, we need to calculate the interest. So to find out this interest, we can also calculate amount minus principal, because amount and principal is given to us. So amount is 200 minus principal is 100. So interest will become rupees 100. Got it? Once we get the value of interest, another formula to calculate the interest is P into R into T upon 100. Right? So to calculate the interest, we have 100 here. Principal. What is the principal? Rate of interest unknown to us. Time 25/4, and this 100 we can write here. Is that clear? Now what will happen here? See, once again I am explaining this. Interest is rupees 100. Principal, the amount of principal we considered is 100. Rate is unknown to us. Time is this value 25/4. This 100 we can write here in the denominator with multiplication of 4. So 100 and 100 will get cancelled. 4 is in division, going that side goes for multiplication, correct? 4 shifting that side goes for multiply. 25 is in multiply, going that side goes for division. We want to calculate R. So 25 ones are 25 fours are. So rate of interest will become 16% in this case.